Hello, I'm Otto, and this is my camera. And this is my dog, Wunderschmutz. We love to walk around and take pictures of animals. Come with us. Walking through the farmlands, walking through the farmlands, walking through the farmlands, I and Wunderschmutz. Do you hear that? Who can neigh like that? It's a horse. Let's take its picture fast. It neighs funnily and goes so fast. It has nice hair as well, and a funny footprint. Let's go, Wunderschmutz. We've still got many interesting things ahead. Jumping through the farmlands, jumping through the farmlands, jumping through the farmlands, tap, tap, tap. Do you hear that, Wunderschmutz? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Who says that? Oh, it's a rooster. Let's take its picture fast. The rooster is funny. It crows loudly and eats seeds. Its feathers are beautiful. And it leaves a footprint like this. Let's go, my faithful dog. We've got other animals to check out. Running through the farmlands, running through the farmlands, running through the farmlands, click, click, click. Who is it? It says oink, oink. It's a pig. Let's take a picture of it fast. The pig says oink, oink, and it also likes to bathe in puddles. It has no fur, can you imagine that? But it has a snout. It leaves a funny footprint like this. Let's check out the pictures we've taken today. This is a horse. It says neigh and hops funnily. This is a rooster. It says cock-a-doodle-doo and eats seeds funnily. This is a pig, and it says oink, oink. It also loves to bathe in puddles. That's all for today. Bye-bye.